Welcome to the home of technology and progress, where connected solutions all live under one roof, helping to revolutionize manufacturing, transform live broadcasting with smart video production, create unforgettable experiences, build stronger connections with every customer, and empower field teams in the toughest of conditions. Panasonic Connect is working for better and growing together. Our best-in-class hardware and software are connecting factory floors and production lines to transform manufacturing, streamlining every aspect of production, from material procurement to final assembly, accelerating innovation while improving efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Wherever the action is taking place, our cutting-edge broadcast and Pro AV technologies bring education, news, and entertainment to the world, with seamless production and incredible detail. From large-scale outdoor exhibitions and immersive experiences to business and academia, our projectors, displays, and supporting services are mesmerizing audiences with vibrant colors, take them to places beyond their imagination, and create unforgettable memories. Up and down the supply chain, we're helping retail to harness the latest in technological innovation, to adapt to rapidly changing buyer behaviors and digital disruption by creating unique, personalized, and immersive in-store experiences and build more resilient, sustainable, and connected links. Toughbook is taking the power of Windows 11 computing to the harshest environments, connecting frontline workers in the field to the rugged laptops, handheld devices, and accessories they need to keep us safe, keep critical industries operational, and keep supply chains moving around the clock and in all conditions. Whatever the opportunity or goal, Panasonic Connect has the technology, systems, and expertise to help the world work for better and grow together. Step into the home of technology and progress.